Now here I have my buckets that I'm using this to make my washing machine. Here's the rinse bucket. See those 1/4-inch holes all the way around. That's really good. This is the washing bucket. And I put a camera top on it. And so that I put the plunger inside that, and no water comes out. And I have some holes for rinsing in between the hot water and the and then I have like not even half the load yet. Right, here's and when I get my camcorder back, I'm going to show a video of actually doing loads of laundry.